When stepping into the gym for the first time, it can feel overwhelming. You're surrounded by equipment you might not know how to use, and everyone seems to have their routine down. But don't worry, I'm here to help you avoid some common beginner mistakes that can derail your progress. First up, let's talk about form. It's tempting to lift heavier weights to impress others or to feel like you're really pushing yourself. But poor form can lead to injuries that sideline you for weeks or even months. Focus on mastering the basics first. Whether it's squats, deadlifts, or bench presses, prioritize your technique. Use lighter weights until you feel confident, and don't hesitate to ask for help or watch instructional videos. Your body will thank you later. Next, let's address the issue of skipping warm-ups. I get it. You're eager to dive into your workout, but neglecting to warm up is a big mistake. A proper warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles, improves flexibility, and prepares your body for the workout ahead. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes doing dynamic stretches or light cardio to get your heart rate up. It's a small investment of time that pays off in injury prevention and performance. Now, on to the third mistake, neglecting recovery. Many beginners think that more is better, so they hit the gym every day without giving their muscles a chance to recover. This can lead to burnout and overtraining. Your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. Incorporate rest days into your routine, and don't underestimate the power of sleep and nutrition. Recovery is just as important as the workouts themselves. The fourth mistake is not having a plan. Walking into the gym without a clear idea of what you want to accomplish can lead to aimless wandering and wasted time. Take the time to set specific goals and create a workout plan that aligns with them. Whether you want to build strength, lose weight, or improve endurance, having a structured approach will keep you focused and motivated. Track your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Finally, let's talk about nutrition. Many beginners overlook the role that diet plays in their fitness journey. You cannot exercise a poor diet. Fueling your body with the right nutrients is crucial for performance and recovery. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Stay hydrated and don't skip meals. A balanced diet will complement your workouts and help you achieve your goals faster. So, to recap, prioritize your form, always warm up, allow for recovery, have a solid plan, and pay attention to your nutrition. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll set yourself up for success and make your gym experience much more enjoyable. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Embrace the process, stay consistent, and you'll see the results you're aiming for.